Today I get to try making and tasting Leonidas Choco Latte dark chocolate. It is pronounced similar to chocolate. Feedback: tastes similar to the dark chocolate under Leonidas. Take the chocolate stick out of the fridge one day before, or you will have problems melting. Best result I found is 8-ounce hot milk to 1 choco latte stick. Warm up the frother. Froth fresh milk. Click on thumbs up if you like or wish to support us. Click on subscribe for more videos from us. Or you can heat up the milk using a pot or the microwave. In this chocolate box, you have a handful of this chocolate on a stick. I would like to specially thank Leonidas Malaysia for sponsoring us with Leonidas chocolate in order for us to make this video. Frosted milk in. Choco latte stick in. Stir. This stick is actually a straw. Optional freshly whipped cream. Optional marshmallow. Marshmallow in. Marshmallow is not included in the box. Choco latte hot chocolate drink done. Optional. You can add double portion of marshmallow. Marshmallow in. Looks so good. The good, I find this really easy and quick to make. The bad, the first cup I made with 16 ounce and it tastes awfully watery. Correct volume of hot milk isn't clearly written. Do post in the comment section below if you should have any questions or requests for videos. As always, have a nice day.
Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe.